Many people believe that earning more money will automatically solve their financial problems. The logic seems simple. If income increases, financial stress should decrease. But in reality, this is not always what happens. When income increases, people naturally adjust their lifestyle. A higher salary may encourage someone to move into a better apartment. They may upgrade their car or begin spending more on entertainment, travel, or convenience. These upgrades also increase monthly expenses, and over time, the new lifestyle becomes normal. One of the most interesting aspects of money is how quickly people adapt. When someone improves their lifestyle, it feels exciting at first. But after some time, it simply becomes the new normal. The financial benefits of a higher salary can slowly disappear. There is also a psychological side to this pattern. When people earn more money, they often feel more comfortable spending. Over time, these small decisions accumulate. The result is a gradual increase in spending habits. This pattern is often called lifestyle inflation. It occurs when spending increases together with income. People who manage to improve their financial situation often focus on awareness. They recognize that higher income creates an opportunity. Understanding this pattern helps people make more intentional financial decisions. Over time, small financial choices can shape long-term outcomes. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing. Money Explained Simple shares simple ideas about money. Invest in your financial education because understanding money may be one of the most valuable investments you can make.